Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to apply and join Samsung's One UI beta program in Samsung smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Play Store and just search for one application name as Samsung Members. Under first list, you'll see the application. Just click on it. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install it, and after that just click on open. Now on opening, you need to log in or sign in with your Samsung account. So if you have not created your Samsung account, then kindly create it firstly, and after that just log into this Samsung Members. And after that, under the Discover tab, you will see here one option written beta program. So you need to click on it. So now you can see here One UI 8 beta program is available for my respective Samsung smartphone. So if your Samsung smartphone is eligible, then you will be shown here the respective beta program. So in my case, you can see I've already joined. So if you see a beta program mentioning here, then you can click on it and you can directly join it to participate in the One UI beta program. So after that, just click on it. So once you have joined the beta program, then you will see here beta notices. So you can read the beta notices regarding the software update details. So you can read the complete details about the beta updates, what are new here. So you can read it by yourself. And next to it is a check for software updates. So just click on it. So you can see in my case there is no more newer updates. I'm already in the latest beta update. So you can see One UI is 8 and Android version is 16, and the security patch is also, you can see the latest one. So let us move back. Now you can give a beta feedback. If you have some issues with the One UI beta version, then you can just click on this beta feedback and you can click on this button below to report regarding some issues that you are facing while using the One UI beta operating system. And the last one is a beta community. So here you can check for the tips, discussions, suggestions and questions, and regarding the users who have tried this One UI beta and they're facing some issues, then they're posting here. You can post here and discuss with the beta community members. So by using this method, you can easily apply and join Samsung's One UI beta program in Samsung smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.